Hey everybody, welcome back to Tactical Reviews. We are going to check out this MagGuts for the 365. It's actually for the 12 round XL module. You get a follower. You get the base plate and the spring. This has a spring on the back of it, and then this has this piece on it here, so they got to go like that. Just figured I'd let you know that. See, that's exactly what it did last time. And it pops this piece out here, and then you gotta push that in. And then get a knife. Alright, I guess we'll try it again. Got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. Sweet. I'm assuming that once I get used to it, it would be easier to do that, but no shaky on 13, shaky on 14. All right, well there you go. I guess just when you pop that in, kind of got to push that tab in so that it pops, and then you should be good, and then hopefully you won't struggle like I did. I'll do a video before too long of actually getting to shoot it. Oh, I guess I could pop that in there. Oh yeah, that even feels better too. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.